All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got the alkane part out the way, we're going to just do something for a little warm up to get us started. And then we're going to move on to the alkyl groups, which are basically carbons, your substituent carbons attached to it. I already said we're not going to work with halos that much today, but let's name this chain. um, who can tell me what we're going to call this one? You remember you start off with the longest, you try to find your longest chain, and a car can only turn one direction. This one is. If I go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. I see it. I see it already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice. Got it. Okay. Now that we know we have 9 of them, we go over here and we know it's going to be a nonane. So I can write nonane right here. Oh. Let me go ahead and bump you down a little bit. I can write nonane right here because my longest chain is 9. And that's going to be the last word on my, because first thing that you figure out, go figure, is the last word that's going to be in the name of it. All right, now that we have that, where do you see the first substituent, which is something that hangs off of your, hold on, let me put my box around it. Where do you see your first substituent start? Lord, it has 3 right here. It takes 1, 2, 3 to get this substituent. 1, 2, 3 to get this substituent. Oh, but if I go right here, this gives me more weight on this side. So I'm choosing this side. This one's going to be 1, 2, 3. All right. You know what? Let's just write it in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, got that, did that. And now, we're going to focus on these. So the way you're going to name your alkyls is according to the number of carbons that's on that alkyl. So if there's 1, if there's only 1 C on there or 1 carbon on there, that's going to be an ethyl. If it's 2, that's going to be a methyl. If it's 3, that's going to be a propyl. All right, and whenever you're naming it, it goes in ABC order, which coincidentally falls in order of the smallest to the largest. For these, though, I can't say it's going to happen all the time like that, but for these right now, it coincidentally falls into the right order. So then, when you're naming your alkyl groups, to start naming your alkane further, what you'll do is you'll start off, you want to just start marking them off. So you go to this first one and you're like, all right, this is a single one and that's on 3. So I got a single one on 3. Let's mark that one off. So we're going to go 3. Do I have any other single ones? Right here. And that's on 7. So I'm going to put a 7 right there. So I have 1 on 3, 1 on 7, and it's ethyl. But how do I say that there's 2 ethyls? What do I, you know what? They have more prefixes, but it's not that hard. If you just go in this order, it's not that hard. This means 2, this means 3, and it just tells you the number of the groups. Like I said, this is all just prefixes. It's all just names you use to, like you're pretty much just marking down what you see on the board. So this is going to be 3-diethyl. I believe it's supposed to be a dash right here. I'm not sure. I believe it's a dash that goes in between. Once you name your single one right there. All right. And then you go to the next one. And well, I'll just go in order from the smallest to the largest usually. And I see 2 C's on this one. 2 means methyl. So I'm about to go, how many methyls do I have? I only have 1. And I see it on spot 4. 4-methyl. 4-methyl. I don't use any of these because it's only 1 methyl at spot 4. God dang it, I'm going to have to. All right. Now that we got that out the way, another dash. Oh, this one has 3, and it's on spot 5. What does spot 3, whenever it has 3 C's, it's a propyl. We got us a propyl right here on number 5. And it's going to go 5. Since this is the last one, we're going to finish it strong and combine our no name with it. 5 propyl no name, because it's a 9 and E. So now we all look like geniuses over here. Look what we just wrote. Chemist over here. Anyways, any questions, comments, it's going to be underneath in the bottom.